Hello, welcome to my world where I talk crypto. In today's video, guys, we are going to talk about Metaforce, and I know you've seen a video, but then you just don't understand what is going on. So Metaforce is going to be launched on the 1st of June. So in the meantime, guys, we have to start installing those crypto wallets. We have to start funding our wallets. So to join Metaforce, you have to pay $5. So firstly, let me just explain what is a Metaforce. Metaforce, it is a project that is developed by Lado. He is one of the developers who developed FOREX. For those of you who heard about FOREX, FOREX was something that worked. The only problem with FOREX is that the gas fees were high. So that project didn't continue because to join FOREX at that time, it would even go to 800 Rand, whereas it started as 150, like $5, $6, but then it got to a point where you would pay more gas fees. So now Lado came up with a solution which is using a stable coin, and that stable coin is BUSD. That stable coin doesn't go fluctuate like your Ethereum or your BTC or other cryptocurrencies that exist. So it is a stable coin. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to install your crypto wallet, how to fund it, and also how to swap in case if you have your Ethereum and you want to swap into BUSD, because to join Metaforce you do need BUSD, and for BUSD to work you do need the fees part because it works with smart contract for fees. So for example, BUSD, it can be something like your rent, and then in order to buy that BUSD there are fees which is something less. So for example, say maybe you want to buy BUSD for 100 Rand, and then you do need to buy your smart contract maybe for 20 Rand. That covers the fees part. So guys, all of this is something that I am going to take you in a journey where I explain bit by bit. And some of you who are going to join my team, I am going to help you step by step, like I think one by one, because it can be complicated a bit, but then I will try to explain and show you online so that you can understand. But do join the group. I do have a Telegram group, I do have a WhatsApp group, and then you can see the links on this video description. Then you can join the team. I do believe that those who are starting now to build their teams, I am building my team, and I want everyone in my team as well to start building their team. I also created this flyer. So this flyer is something that I am going to create for each and everyone who is going to join using my link. So basically you send me your photo, your contact details, your number, and then I will create this flyer, and then you can send this flyer in social media, your WhatsApp status, so that people can join. So guys, we are smart now. We cannot go in with everything that we have. So for starters, I would suggest that you save that $5 to join, because remember, pre-launch is going to be $5, and then after launch it is going to be $10. So this is the price for those who will join early. So you do need to have that money. So my advice, when you start, maybe try and just upgrade 2 or 3 slots, but then don't use your money. Start joining, and then after, make money by inviting your friends to join. When you start making money, upgrade these slots. So if you do have money, you can upgrade these slots, but then I want us to be smart so that we do not regret one day. So we join, we invite people, we make money, and then we use the same money to upgrade our slots. So what is a slot? So a slot is like when you join, you're basically opening a company. That is slot 1. So with this $5, and then in future it's going to be $10, you're like opening one company. That's a slot. And then once that company starts working and making you money, you open another company. That is slot 2. So in slot 2, say for example in slot 1, you get paid $10 every time you invite someone, every time you get a spillover. In slot 2, you're not gonna get $10. You will get 2 times what you used to get in the previous slot. And then now in company 2, so all these companies like slot 1 and slot 2, they operate independently. You make money here and then you make money there. So if there's any confusion when it comes to slots, just think about slots as companies that you open. That's why I'm saying open number 1 with your $10, and then after make money, and then open another one with another $10, and then open another one. It won't be $10 anymore, it will be $20, but then you will also make more money. So obviously in smart contract and also in Metaforce, even in FOREX, there are rules that when you join, you invite 2 people, and those people you get paid, and then the third person probably you do not get paid. The money goes to your upliner. The same way with you, those people who are going to join under you, the first person you invite, the second person you invite, the money goes to you, and then the third person you invite, the money will go to your upliner or even anyone around the system. Because the system, when it talks about spillovers, it actually means that sometimes when you invite someone, it gets to a point where it allocates the money to anyone in the system. It can be you as well. Sometimes the system will allocate you as a person. So this is something big. This is something that the world is actually waiting. If you go into social media, you see people are preparing, they are building their teams. So this is what I want you as well to do. So in my group and Telegram and also in WhatsApp, I am also building my team. So there is information there which I post. You can copy the same information, guys. If you are going to join under me, you can copy the same information and create your own Telegram group and create your own WhatsApp group, because you growing, it grows me. Me growing, it actually grows you when it comes to spillovers. So it is my duty to support you as my downliner, as the person who's going to join under me, so that you do well, because I do well as well. And then also the people who are joining under you, if they do well, you also do well. So we are a team, and as a system, and all of us, we do benefit that way. So guys, I want you guys to go and create those groups, copy the information from the WhatsApp group that I post, and post to your downlines as well. So downlines, and copy the information to your downlines as well. And copy the information to your downlines as well. So guys, it is important to also build the teams. So as well, let's talk about the flyer. This flyer, okay, I did talk about the flyer. So I am still trying to understand fully the marketing plan. I will explain more and more as I understand, because guys, I want to understand it so clearly that when I explain it to you in simple terms, because I know they will explain and it's complicated, you do not understand, but with me, I will explain it in simple terms. I will even give you examples that when you take an orange and do this. So I just want to get the rules, because we need to understand the rules and then know how to grow faster. So guys, that's what I want to talk about when it comes to Metaforce. Guys, build those teams, and don't forget, I will create the flyer for you to also market in social media. And do remember that this business is not only in South Africa, this business is international. So anyone in Mozambique, anyone in overseas, anyone in UK can join under you. You can even take that flyer and go to social media marketing and boost that flyer, and more people will join under you. So guys, this is something that can really make you millions if you do it and commit to it, and it does require you to work. So if you're not going to work, don't join, guys. Don't join. There is no money that comes without you working for it. So if someone says that you put 10 rand and then it will be 20 rand, how does it get to 20 rand? So with Metaforce, we do work and we know why the money grows. So if someone says that you put 1,000 rand, now it's 10,000 rand, know that one, it will die. It is a scam. There is no way to prove that the money will be made in a certain way. So guys, let's prepare our teams, and then I will post more and more, and let's just watch how to create a trust wallet.
Where is it opening that? You go to App Store and look for Trust Wallet, and then this is the wallet that you want to install. So you just click get the wallet. But with me, I already have the wallet, so I'll click open. But let me show you after installing this wallet, and then let me show you how to create the wallet, because the next window that will show you is to create a wallet. So let me show you how to do that. So to create a wallet, when you see this window after installing, you will click create wallet, and then you will click I understand. Then you will click continue, and then these are the 12 words that will be shown to you. So these words you need to keep safe, because if someone gets hold of these words, then they will be able to access your wallet. So just because of this example, I'm just going to create and not use this wallet. I'll delete this wallet afterwards. It's just for the training purposes. And then you need to click copy these words somewhere. Now I'm sending to my, I sent to my WhatsApp so that I know, because the next step is you need to put these words back. So let me open my WhatsApp. The first one is Risen. Where's Risen? The second one is Lizard Minor Desk. So you continue to put these words: stumble, attend, filter between, stumble, attend, filter between. So you need to put these words the same way. Mention lottery, appear dead. So now it will allow you to continue. You click continue. Okay, so your wallet is created successfully. So the next thing that you need to do is to load money into this wallet. So how you load money into this wallet, you click buy. You can buy any other cryptocurrency, cancel whatever they have there, and then you type 25. So just so you don't get confused, because I remember first time when I started, I got confused on how to delete this. So you just click and then you do a backward thing, and then you type 25. So they're saying the minimum you can buy is 50. So let's buy 50.
I'll keep updating you in these groups. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can be notified as and when I post a video, because right now you do not want to miss any video. Thank you so much guys for watching.